Hey everybody, welcome back. Today we're going to do a survival hack. Going to transform this piece of copper into a workable, usable blade. Copper's been being used for thousands and thousands of years. The reason being it can be sharpened down just as good, if not better, than any piece of steel. Stay tuned. I'm not going to use an anvil or nothing like that, and that's the sweet thing about copper. You don't have to have heat. I'm going to use a ball-peen hammer here. Ball-peen hammers work the best. It's a piece of railroad tracks. So in a situation, if you can get a hold of this, you hit the railroad tracks, whatever, any hard, solid surface. We're just going to beat that down. Now we have both sides of this beat down, and so now what you do is you just take the round part of your ball peen, smack them edges out. See what's going on here? Once I got it beat down like that, now I'm going to start my ends. If I want a point on my blade, which I'm going to put a point on this one, I'm actually going to do a spear out of this one. Just kind of beat them down. Back to you. Just keep working it until you get that point that you're after. Okay, so now I've got her to the basic shape. Now I'm going to take the small ball peen side of my hammer here, and I'm just going to kind of beat these edges real flat, real fine. Like paper consistency. I'm going to do that on both sides of the blade, as thin as I can get it. Okay, so now I got it worked down pretty good. Now at this point, that's where I'm going to bust out my stone here, and I'm just going to start sharpening my edges. Okay, so now what you've created is a fully functional, workable blade. Now I can leave this handle just like that and already have a handle for my knife, but I'm using mine for a spear, so I'm gonna go ahead and flatten this out. Just got a notch and then slide it down in the stick. Now that I know it fits, I'm just gonna bevel these down to nothing there. Alright, so I got that beveled down. I'm going to insert this back into here. Alright, now my next step is just going to be to lash that on. Alright, after that's lashed, that's what I ended up with. Fully functional spear. Alright, another quick tip: when you do a spear, always make sure that your blade, your tip, is above your eyes. So I don't want to be falling or this thing coming and smacking me in the eye. I want this above my eye. Alright, that's my video for today. If you like our videos, like, share, comment, subscribe. Check us out on Facebook, Mickey Wilson Bushcraft and Survival. Until the next one, that's it for this one.